Greetings to all. Today, we are confronted with a crisis like no other. COVID 19 has disrupted our social and economical lifestyle. Our doctors and nurses are fighting it around the clock, often risking their life to save our life. The social and economic disruption caused by this pandemic is devastating. COVID 19 has turned the world upside down. Every aspect of our life has been affected. All educational systems all around the world has also been affected by COVID 19. So now let us watch a classroom scene of a teacher discussing about COVID 19 and the precautions to be taken if the schools reopen.
Good morning.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, students. So, how are all of you? Are you all taking care of yourself in this COVID 19 pandemic? Because we need to take care and protect ourselves against this virus.
Yes, ma'am. We all are fit and fine.
Ma'am, can you give us some information on COVID-19?
Yes, of course. Coronavirus disease or COVID 19 is an infectious disease caused by the newly discovered coronavirus. Most people who fall sick with COVID 19 experience mild to moderate symptoms and recover without any special treatment. But COVID 19 can also make us very ill. But we can protect ourselves if we take some safety measures.
Ma'am, what are the symptoms of this virus?
COVID 19 affects different people in different ways, but some common symptoms are fever, dry cough, tiredness, aches and pain, sore throat, shortness of breath, diarrhea, headache, etc.
So, ma'am, how do we protect ourselves from this dangerous disease and what precautions must be taken for school reopening?
First and foremost, we do not need to panic, but yes, we do need to take some precautionary measure. The most important precautionary measure is 20 seconds hand washing. Hands must be washed properly with soap and water or an alcohol-based hand sanitizer. And if the school reopens, all children must wear a mask and carry a good alcohol-based hand sanitizer to school. All children must also try and avoid too much physical contact like shaking hands or hugging, especially if a classmate shows symptoms of flu. If possible, each student must eat from their own lunch boxes. Sharing of lunch boxes should be avoided. All students must also maintain social distancing while sitting in class.
So, ma'am, if we take these precautions, then we can protect ourselves and be safe, right?
Yes.
Ma'am, Prisha and I have made a hand sanitizer and a mask. So can we please show it to the class?
Yes, of course.
So this is my mask and it is very important and useful as it prevents the transmit of diseases when we go in public areas where social distancing is not possible. We should wear a mask very properly. It should cover our nose and mouth. We should wear it like this. We should not touch again and again our mask because it may transmit the germs which we have on the mask. And after we remove our mask, we should wash our hands with soap or sanitizer.
Yes, Rashi. Very true. Very good.
Ma'am, this is my handmade sanitizer dispenser. This sanitizer dispenser can be used by pressing the bar present down by leg. These sanitizer dispensers are present at different places.
Very good, Prisha. Wonderful. So always remember to stay alert and fight against this virus.
Yes, ma'am, thank you for sharing such valuable information.
Yes, ma'am, we will surely take care of ourselves and follow these instructions given by you.
So, everyone have a good day and goodbye.
Bye,
Bye,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Coronavirus is a dangerous disease, but we can protect ourselves if we take some safety measures. As we all saw the precautions to be taken if the schools reopen, now let us see the precautions to be taken in the public areas.
Coronavirus disease or COVID-19 is an infectious disease caused by a newly discovered coronavirus. Most of the people who fall sick with COVID-19 will experience mild to moderate symptoms and recover without special treatments.
Case of coronavirus was found on Thursday, reported its first positive case of the novel coronavirus from Kerala. A student who was studying in Wuhan University had traveled to India testing positive for this virus.
There is a girl who doesn't care about the coronavirus. She is neither taking precautions nor staying at home in lockdown. Let's see her story.
Hey, why are you not wearing a mask? It's important these days because a mask is the only way to save our lives from this coronavirus.
Arey chodo na, I don't care about this all, okay? And I'm not gonna affected by this. I'm tired staying at home. Now I'm going. Bye.
After taking some steps ahead, the girl was touching everywhere, which is really unhygienic. We should not touch anything as we cannot see the virus. It's better not to touch anything which is unhygienic.
Nah, you should not even care about it. It's nothing serious.
We can see that the girl was being so careless. She was having no idea about what was going to happen next.
My temperature is so high, but I know it's just gonna be a normal fever.
It was Mina's biggest mistake that she had just ignored the fever. A high fever is one of the symptoms of this coronavirus. She refused to go to the hospital. After listening to a few people, she took an appointment and showed it to the doctor.
Excuse me, doctor, can I come in?
Excuse me, ma'am. This is a COVID zone. It is better you go to the hospital which does not stand with any corona patient. And why are you not wearing a mask? I think we should get a check of whether you are a corona positive or a negative. Come with me. Ma'am, I'm really sorry to inform you, but you are a COVID positive. You don't need to get worried. You'll be shifted during the isolation area for your treatment. Okay? Nurse, shift this young lady to the isolation area for the treatment of coronavirus.
After 14 days, the girl was checked again and got the news that she was no more corona positive. She was discharged and she took all the precautions to prevent the virus.
Did you guys saw that due to my carelessness, the world got in trouble? Instead of bringing one more positive corona case, let's bring one more negative and save this beautiful earth.
We should wear a mask so that we are not infected and make distance among us. We should not go out unnecessarily and eat less non-veg and restaurant foods.
Thank you all the corona helpers who help us day and night to remove this virus from the world and come back to our routine.
एक दिया तुम्हारा और एक लौ है मेरी टल जाएगी काली रात अंधेरी हम